News that we are breaking to you, fresh information coming in from government sources that the Chief Minister, Mamata Banerjee, left before the Prime Minister left, which defied protocol. And sources also say that Mamata's claim on being made to wait is false. Sources further claim that Mamata changed her mind as Suvendu was part of the meeting. This we are talking about the review meeting following Cyclone Yas that was chaired by the Prime Minister. Mamata Banerjee prevented other officers from attending the meeting. A lot of inputs coming in from sources. Let me go across to Tanima to put things in perspective for us. Tanima, sources are also saying that Mamata Banerjee prevented other officers from attending this meeting. She left before the Prime Minister. The Chief Secretary also ignored constitutional duties. Now, all of this, the centre is now coming out clearly, trying to build a case against Mamata Banerjee on what happened in that review meeting following Cyclone Yas.
That's right. In fact, we can see this war of words is only escalating by the day, Aprida. Now, what we can see is that the centre has come out. Government sources have, in fact, said this, given a list of reasons as to how Mamata Banerjee actually defied protocol. Even the Bengal Chief Secretary, centering on whom this entire row has, in fact, been raised. How he also ignored his constitutional duties by not actually attending this meeting, which the Prime Minister was chairing on reviewing the impact of Cyclone Yas. In fact, government sources, if you have to believe, are saying that the Chief Minister left before the Prime Minister actually left the meeting venue, which is against protocol. And Mamata Banerjee's claim on being made to wait is false. Government sources are also adding that she changed her mind on attending this meeting only because she came to know that Shubhendu Adhikari, who is the opposition leader in the state, was attending this meeting. Also, the government sources adding that Mamata Banerjee, in fact, stopped other officers from also attending this meeting, and also pointing out very interestingly there that she has done a big U-turn in with regard to Alappon Bandyopadhyay within matter of hours. Remember, over here they are referring to the fact that it was Bengal government only which had sought an extension of the Bengal Chief Secretary's tenure. But after this entire controversy actually came to the forefront, now they've said, okay, we'll let him retire, but he will work as a special advisor for us. So the centre essentially highlighting all these things and blaming Mamata Banerjee for breaking protocol and also misleading on this entire controversy which was broken out.
All right, so this is a detailed statement coming from the centre on how Mamata Banerjee defied protocol in that review meeting chaired by the Prime Minister on the cyclone after effects. Thanks for joining us, Tanima.